Okay, hi there. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, are you ready? Yes. Now, pick up an elephant.
Elephant. Elephant.
Okay, what animal is that?
No.
What animal is that?
Uh,
What animal is that?
elephant.
Okay, elephant. What color is an elephant? What color is that? Is this gray?
No.
No. Is this brown?
Yes.
Yes. I think it's gray, not brown. I think it's gray. Gray is gray.
Right.
Okay. So is an elephant big or small?
Big.
It's big. Do you like an elephant? Did you like an elephant? Do you like an elephant or you don't like an elephant? Do you like an elephant or you don't like an elephant? Do you like an elephant?
Do you like elephant?
Yes or no? Yes. Yes, I like.
I like.
Okay, next one. Pick up a zebra. What animal is that? Zebra. Is this a zebra big or small? Is a zebra big or small?
Zebra.
Is this big or small? Is this big or small?
Big.
Big is big. Did you like a zebra? Did you like a zebra? Yes or no?
No.
No, you don't like.
Do you like?
You say I
I don't like.
I don't like. Okay. What color is a zebra?
Black. White.
And white. Okay. Pick up a dog. What animal is that? What animal is that?
Dog.
A dog. What color is a dog? What color is a dog?
White.
White,
Black.
black, and what color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. What can we call a baby dog? A baby dog. What can we call a baby dog?
Yellow.
We call pa. We call it puppy.
Puppy.
Puppy. So, do you like a puppy or a dog? Do you like a puppy or a dog? Do you like a puppy or a dog? Yes or no?
Yes.
Which one do you like? A puppy or a dog?
Puppy.
A puppy? Okay. So is a puppy small or big? Is a puppy?
Small.
Oh, it's small. What color is a puppy? What color is a puppy?
Puppy.
What color is a puppy? Maybe is white,
White.
black,
Black.
brown,
Brown.
or gray.
White.
Remember it? Pick up a hen. What animal is that?
Hen.
Hen. What color is a hen?
Red.
Red,
Yellow.
yellow,
Black.
black, and
Orange.
orange. Is a hen big or small? Is a hen big or small? What do you think? It's big, or it's small?
It's small.
Okay, maybe it's small. So do you like a hen?
No.
No, you don't like a hen?
No. I don't like.
Okay. Next one. Pick up a giraffe? A giraffe. What animal is that? What animal is that? A
Giraffe.
Okay, giraffe. Is a giraffe big or small?
Big.
Big. Do you like a giraffe? Yes. What color is a giraffe?
Yellow.
Yellow,
Brown.
brown,
White.
white, and
Black.
black. Okay. So is a giraffe small? Is a giraffe small? Yes or no? Small. Is a giraffe small? Yes or no? No.
No.
It's big.
Big.
Okay. And a giraffe have a long neck. A giraffe has a long neck.